It's about 3 chapters, but because of our time, so we're just cutting short. Would anybody like to read? I'll read it. Look who wants to read it. Oh, no, it's on the board.
Mama Stella, oh, we've got two young people, so one can read one. Thank you, Lord. Let's go closer. Go closer.
No, it was on. It's now on.
Is it on? No, it's not.
So all that Israel had done to them in Moab was very afraid of the people because there were so many of them. Moab was overcome and dread because of the people of Israel. So Moab sent to the leaders of Israel, this horde will lick up everything around us, the way an ox licks up grass in the field. Balak, the son of Zippor, was king of Moab at that time. He sent messengers to Balaam, the son of Beor, at Pittor, by the Euphrates River of his state, in his native land, to tell him, listen, a people has come out of Egypt, spread over all this land, and settle down next to you. Therefore, please come and curse this people for me, because they are stronger than I am. Maybe I'll be able to strike them down and drive them out of the land. For I know that whoever you bless is it that blessed, and whoever you curse is in fact cursed. The leaders of Moab and Israel left, taking with them the payment of dividing, came to Balaam and spoke to him the words of Balak. He said to them, stay here today, and I'll give you back whatever answer a daughter tells me. So the princes of Moab stayed with them at Lechem.
Hallelujah.
Yes.
Hallelujah.
Okay, you stop right there.
Yes, that's fine. Well done.
God came to Balaam and said, who are these men with you? Balaam said to God, Balak the son of Tipsor, king of Moab, has sent me this message. The people who came out of Egypt has spread over the land. Now come them out, and come and curse them for me. Maybe I will be to fight against them and drive them out. God answered Balaam, you are not to go with them. You are not to curse the people because they are blessed. Balaam got up in the morning and said to the prince of Balak, return to your own land, because Adonai refuses to give me permission to go with you. The princess of Moab got up, returned to Balak and said, Balaam refuses to come with us. Balak again sent princes more of them, and of higher stature than the first group. They went to Balaam and said to him, Here is what Balak the son of Tipsah says. Please don't let anything keep you from coming to me. I will reward you very well, and whatever you say to me, I will do. So please come and curse the people for me. Balaam answered the servants of Balak, Even if Balak were to give me his palace filled with silver and gold, I cannot go beyond the word of Adonai, my God, to do anything, great or small. Now please you two stay tonight, so that I may find out what else Adonai will say to me. God came to Balaam during the night and said to him, If the men have to come summon you, get up and go with them, but do only what I tell you.
Yeah.